What's up, guys? I'm Tim. This is NuKraft Workshop. Got a little bit of different vibe going on today. I am extremely under the weather, but I wanted to get you guys a savings video up this week. I am doing my best. Hopefully, I'll have you a project build out in the shop a little bit later, but for today, we're just going to get right into this Amazon video. This little series of videos is where I show you guys how to save some money out in your shop by showing you guys a bunch of steals and deals that I find while I'm scouring through Amazon for my own shop, and then I just pass them on to you. So let's get right after this today. I need to wrap this one up quick because I just don't feel good. So, sorry, I got to peek around here so I can find my clicker. There we go. Item one, I've never shown you guys this before. Shop brushes. This is a great price. $10 is going to get you 2 of these. This is something you need to keep around your shop. Keep that workbench clean, especially if you're laying your products down to give yourself some finish or something. You want your workbench extreme clean before you get after that process. Work brushes like this over at the big box stores are about $8 or $9 a piece. We're getting to them for $10 here. Really good product at a really good price. All right, shop lighting. I was fortunate enough to have this exact set sent to me by Barrina in exchange for a review video, which I did. It is a massive difference out in my shop. The quality of lighting when you switch over from 1 or 2 fixtures hanging from your ceiling to some LEDs that you can put right over specific work areas. It makes a world of difference. And if you're getting older like I am, lighting out in your shop is extremely important. Now look, this is kind of a pricey kit. They do have smaller kits. They've got some 4-foot fixtures as well as some smaller quantity on their kits. But head over to the Barrina store right here and see what they've got to offer. I can assure you right now, all of their stuff is extremely high quality. And I like the way that this links together. It kind of daisy chains one end to another. I think you can put 4 fixtures connected on one plug, which comes in extremely handy. But yeah, shop lighting is extremely important, and my personal recommendation is Barrina. I look back now in hindsight and realize how poorly lit my shop used to be. So, all right, another shop favorite here at NuKraft Workshop, these orange caster wheels. Now, this kit right here, if you notice here, you can purchase them one at a time up to 12. Only reason I picked 8 today, we can look at 4 just for comparison as well. These are $6.62 a piece when you buy 4. They're $6 a piece when you buy 8. You are getting swivel on all of these, lock in place on all of these, and extremely smooth and quiet because they're all polyurethane. One caster over at Rockler is going to run you anywhere from $15 to $18. Depending on if they're on sale or not, you're getting these for $6 a piece. This exact caster is on all of my shop carts, and I can assure you they are extremely quiet. They're durable. They do exactly what they're supposed to do for about 66% cheaper than what you're going to pay over the specialty stores. All right, magnets. Might not think you need magnets a lot, but we do a lot of craft style woodworking projects out in our shop, especially for our beginners series, and we use a lot of magnets to hold things together. Lids for our bird feeder is held on with magnets. The cap on our outdoor little lanterns are held on with magnets. And this is a great deal. 60 pieces, 1/2 inch by 1/8, $10. You're going to pay about 3 times that much over at the big box stores. Can't beat this price, and I will tell you they are extremely strong. They hold your stuff together just like they're supposed to. All right, I've shown you this one before, and I'm going to show it to you again because I still cannot believe that after a year, this is still this price. 13-piece router bit set, 1/2 inch shank, Freud quality. And before anybody hops down in the comments and says, I don't like buying sets because I don't use anything, I exactly feel the same. I feel exactly the same way. Told you I wasn't feeling all that great today, guys. But I will assure you right now, I've used all 13 of these already out of my shop. Great quality. Freud makes good stuff. And just for comparison, this exact kit, the Freud 91-100, is $289 at one specialty store, and it is $329 at the other. I don't know about you, but simple math tells me that's pretty damn good savings. All right. Nicpro. Now, I've been pushing their pencils for a while because they make great mechanical pencil sets, but check this out. So we all can acknowledge that most items come from very few factories overseas, and a lot of times they will knock each other off. Now, I have this exact marking rule in the Saker brand name, but Nicpro just came out with their version of it. It's exactly the same item. Price-wise, it's the same price as the Saker, but you're also getting a mechanical pencil with tons of lead. If you're in the market for something like this, you're going to like this. It clicks in place and locks down at your most common angles like 15, 30, 45, 60. I think it even has a 75 on there, which if you really need a really sharp angle, it's there. But yeah, this thing locks in place. And I will tell you right now, the one that I have made by Saker, which again is just the same exact as this, they're just branding them different, extremely accurate and very precise. So good item right here. All right, this Bora wood rack. I've actually shown you guys this before. This is the exact one I have out in my shop. And check this out. It's currently 10% off. It's already a good deal at 50 bucks, especially when you compare it to the stuff you're going to get at some other places. $44. This is going to have 6 storage levels. And each one of these racks, if I'm not mistaken, holds 300 pounds, which is going to be more than enough. Yeah, total weight capacity right here, 600 pounds. This is 2 separate racks. If you wanted to do them side by side of each other for longer runs, you can. I've got mine stacked on top of each other for 6 levels of storage. But yeah, this is a great deal. 44 bucks is a great price. All right, another one of these Saker knockoff kind of items. Now, I have shown you guys the Jorgensen chamfer plane before, and the reason that I prefer the Jorgensen over some of the other chamfer planes on the market is not only price, but it comes with a multitude of inserts. So the Jorgensen is going to let you do a chamfer and a few different roundovers. This one made by Saker, which if you're not familiar with Saker, they do make great products. Don't let this right here fool you. We're like one review away from being 4 stars, and I tell you all the time I try to do 4 stars or higher. This thing comes with all kinds of different edges. The two most common you're going to use are going to be your chamfer and your roundover, but it's got some other decorative stuff in there if you wanted to give your edges a little bit of a different look. But $39.99, this is a great price. The Jorgensen, I think you can catch it on sale occasionally for $39.99. But yeah, if you're interested in a little handheld device to help you with your edges and you don't own or feel comfortable operating a router, a chamfer plane is the way to go. All right, Saker, we're sticking with it because it's on sale right now. So this is a very clear knockoff of the Going Make thin rip jig, and I have the Going Make. I love Going Make. As a matter of fact, you're going to see some of their other stuff. This is about $3 or $4 cheaper, and it does exactly the same thing. If you're not familiar with a thin rip jig, it basically allows you to cut your slats and your thin pieces off safely by bumping your material up against the jig, moving your fence so that your thin piece is on the left side of your blade and not between your blade and your fence, which is extremely dangerous. $24.99. Look, if you want the red one so you kind of look like the cool kids using the woodpecker stuff, it's $24. But 26, excuse me. I'm sorry. I told you guys I'm not feeling all that great today. All right, Basecamp dust mask. Now, Basecamp is a show sponsor here at NuKraft Workshop. I was grateful enough to hook up with these guys about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. It's exclusively what we use here, not only because they are a show sponsor, but they are a show sponsor because I believe in their products. I would not have brought them on board if not. $22.99 is a great price. This is going to get you the dust mask and some replacement filters. What's great about Basecamp is the mask itself is made out of neoprene. You can pop out the filter and take off the see, I told you, man, I don't feel good. You can take off the little plastic components that have your baffles on them, throw the neoprene in the washing machine, replace your filter, and you've got a brand new mask. I'll tell you right now, it's comfortable. I can breathe in it, and if I can't breathe and it's not comfortable, I'm not wearing it as often as I should. So Basecamp, if you haven't given them a try, give them a try. And look, and if you don't like supporting Amazon for some reason, you're still watching this video, but you're one of those guys down in the comments that says, oh my God, I can't support Jeff Bezos, and oh my God, I can't support, blah, 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 whatever. Go to Basecamp's website. I think it's bcmask.com. Pop in NuKraft10. Take 10% off your order and get it directly from the manufacturer. Whichever way you want to do it, just buy a Basecamp mask. I promise they're great products. All right, so this is a knockoff of the Jorgensen spring-loaded clamps. I actually received The Jorgensen ones, I love them. This particular one is a little bit cheaper than Jorgensen, but what's really great about this set right here is these little pieces right here down at the bottom. This is going to allow you to do hexagons and triangles at different angles, and you're going to be able to clamp those corners in place with just one little motion of your hand here. Most of these are going to come with standard 90-degree corner inserts, but this has replaceable inserts right here that's going to allow you to do 60, 90, and 120 degrees. So if you're doing anything that might be anything other than a square or a rectangle, this is a cool little set right here. 4.2 stars, 1,300 reviews. Good product. All right. This is a small version of the Go and Make jig I have out in my shop. Now, I tell you guys all the time, some of these limited time deals are worth buying. This thing is 25% off right now. It does not have the extended fence, which the larger version has, and it's missing a couple of the other features, but this is a great jig for 45 bucks. This jig is going to outperform the Vivor, the Bauer over at Harbor Freight. Some of the lower end miter gauges that you're going to pay $59 to $69 for. This is normally in that price range, but right now it's 25% off. And when I tell you that you should grab these limited time deals, I'll show you why. This jig right here, this is the one I have on my table saw. It's $299.99. Well, guess what? I've shown it to you twice in the past for $209.99 and $215.99. I've shown it to you twice before when it was almost $100 off. Go and Make is great products, and I can assure you right now, this price, this $300, is going to be probably $330 to $350 as things continue to progress for Go and Make, because people are catching on that they're making really, really good product. Sticking with Go and Make, if you're in the market to upgrade your pocket hole jig, or if you're maybe just now considering getting into pocket hole joinery, this is the way to go. All metal construction. It comes with all of your bits, your drivers. It even comes with a little bit of screws and some dowel plugs. $69.99, all metal. I'm telling you right now, if you've never bought anything from Go and Make, give them a shot. You'll be completely satisfied. Again, sticking with them. This is extremely important if you have a table saw. You got to have that blade squared up to your slots. If you're running any kind of jigs or anything, your miter gauge, anything running down those slots, your blade needs to be parallel. This gauge right here by Go and Make is precise down to 0.1 millimeter, which is extremely accurate. And again, it's all metal, heavy duty construction. It's got this white laser etching on it, extremely easy to read. It's got imperial and metric markings on this, locks into place, and it's going to fit in almost any table saw miter slot. So this thing right here is a great piece of equipment to have out in your shop to make sure that your saw is accurate, because if your saw isn't accurate, your projects are not going to be accurate. All right, I've shown you this one before, and I just wanted to pop it up again because they have yet to raise the price on this, and I don't know how nor why. 108 feet per roll, you're getting 3 rolls, so you're getting 324 feet of double-sided, high-quality tape for $21. This exact brand, X-Fasten, is now available over at Rockler, but you're getting half the tape. You're getting 3 60-foot rolls, so technically you're getting about 40% less tape for like $1 cheaper. Seriously, you're going to pay $20 for 180 feet, where you can pay $22 on Amazon and get 324 feet. This is a great product. I use this exclusively out of my shop. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. And the most important thing is not only does it hold hard, but when you go to pull this stuff off, it doesn't leave any residue. It's great. I promise I won't let you guys down. All right, CA glue. I used to recommend a different brand until I ordered this right here. This stuff right here, not only does it do what it's supposed to do, I think it does it better than any other of the knockoff brands that I've tried outside of Starbond. One of the biggest complaints with a lot of these CA glues is that the cap will get clogged up, the glue hardens out, and then you've got to kind of cut your tip or pick that glue out, and then it kind of becomes a hassle. I've had zero problems with this particular brand, and it comes with these precision tips, which is great. So you can put those tips on there and you can get your glue down in some very precise areas. But this particular kit comes with 4 3.5-ounce bottles of glue and 2 17-ounce cans of activator for $30. You buy that much over at the specialty stores with someone like Star Brand, you're going to be over $100. And it does exactly what it's supposed to do, and it holds strong. Couple more and we're done. I know my voice sounds terrible today. Brad nails, I've shown you this one before too, but this one is actually a really good deal. $17, you're getting 5,000 count, and this price I think is good on 1.25" only. Yeah, we go up to 1.5". We're at $18. 1 inch is $17. So inch and 1.25" are both $16.98. Most common sizes we use out in our shop are inch and 1.25". Zero problems with this particular brand, and compared to what you're going to pay over at the big box stores, this is about a 40 or 50% savings, and quality control on this stuff is phenomenal. All right, heavy duty retractable extension cord. It's not something you think about every day out in your shop, but if you're going to add any kind of power cable like this, especially something hanging from your wall or hanging from your ceiling, you need to make sure of a couple things. Number one, you need to make sure it's heavy enough gauge for your heavy duty tools. This particular unit only has a 15 amp circuit breaker, so this is not going to be okay with things like your table saw, but this is going to be perfect for your dust collection, your planer, your router table, etc. I have one of these hanging above my workbench, although I very seldom use it. When I do need it, it is really nice to have it there. This is 40 feet. 3 outlets, all lit up. This is good quality stuff, $80. And again, comparing this to something over at the big box store, it's going to be about 15 to 20% higher. All right, and finally, let's look at this PowerTech switch. Now, PowerTech has some really good products. I feel like people sleep on PowerTech way too much, but I have this switch on my router table as well as my table saw. Well, the one on my table saw is a different model number because it's 20 amp versus this 15 amp. But PowerTech makes great stuff. It looks exactly like the Rockler version. It comes with great instructions. Mine mounted right where my old one came off. Does what it's supposed to do. Gives you a nice big red paddle in those emergency situations where you can just kind of lean that hip or that knee in and turn it off if necessary. But for $35, it's about a $10 savings over what you're going to pay anywhere else, and it works. So as always, this is what I do for you guys a couple times a month. I'll hunt down some really good deals and steals on Amazon. All I ask you to do is, if you need anything at all on Amazon, click any of these links, get you over to Amazon. Even if you don't buy that item, anything you do while you're there, all of your shopping benefits NuKraft Workshop. It's our way of having you guys help us out without saying, hey guys, can you help us out? Because I don't ever want to turn into that channel. I don't want to just ask for anything. I'd rather give you something and then you guys say, hey, cool deal, Tim. We're going to help you out now. So that's all I got for you today. I am going right back to bed right now because I just don't feel good. But hey, enjoy this video. Get some shopping done. Click save. Thank me later. I'll catch you guys on YouTube.